down. Yeah, they down with this. Because they down with this.
This is the Mātakitaki final, the Open Women's Final for the Māori Touch Nationals 2024. Maia, Tainui, Mataatua.
Number one, Collier, very, very fast. Always the dominant player in any team she's in. We see her coming on. No, they faked her out. What a play to start the game.
So they kick over here to this right 32 platform here. Sell it really good. You know, you see it, dummy this side, comes through, a little skip pass, and the winger comes in between Yiramia, just kicking over to Kēmara. You're just moving this defence. You're checking the ball. Oh, there we go. It's a 2v1. Tote with the last pass through, and we're going to touch down in that far left corner. Kēmara with the ball in hand. Little sweep on the link. Oh, no, little quickie play drawn past to the winger. Oh, great work. Oh. With I guess a power scoop here just to try and at least have a look. They're going to run the sweep on the link again. Drawn past to the wing. Oh, yes, beautiful dummy. And Murphy. I remember having a big game last year too in the final.
Not sure if I've seen her sub. Maybe she's playing the whole game. Again in that situation.
I mean, here we go, Mani. She's known for this. I remember watching her win a secondary school girls final here with Hamilton Girls.
We've had the opportunity twice now in just their box. They're just calm. They're in there breathing. They know what to do. We see Tote set that one up.
Tote back. Comes in. The old school, the old Blues, the old 7 setup. And they're going to run the sweep on the link, on the hono. Oh, yes, they just lost their weight. However, still one more touch. They've still got the ball. A little ball over the top. And there we have it at Te iwi. Ko tēnei te taumata o ngā mārei kura. Tēnei taumata mo tēnei whakataitai I tēnei tau.
Down with this. You try but you can't see me. Yes, I'm down with this. Whakarongo and you